back from intermission. We're here at the job. We talked about the road to the Buckley Cup earlier. And speaking of Buckley, how about Buck Nasty, who's in the ring right now with the dapperly attired Zeke Zichi watching his back. But you know who's on their way to the ring right now, Jesse Matthews. The man who's taking the proving ground by storm.
Everybody in the proving ground may be a member of the Wolfpack. Here it is. Huge ovation as you hear the howls.
There's something about this guy that makes me want to get up and dance. I may just get up and dance.
Well, it looks like we've been joined at commentary for the very successful Mario Crivello. You pulled an Aaron Rodgers tonight. You called your shot in November, and man, did you deliver.
I got to apologize, Mario, for making your life a living hell, putting you in there with that luchador. But I tell you what, you proved us right in the fact we do believe in you because you are, no doubt, the single longest reigning champion in the history of the Proving Ground. The reign you had with the Cutting Edge title, unprecedented. And look at this. You know the importance of the Buckley Cup. We have Bucky Collins and Stephen Wolf. One man's moving on tonight.
Yes, we look ahead, all right? Don't worry about any losses that I've had. I said I was going to win, and I won. Now, let's look ahead. Let's look ahead to the Buckley Cup. And we've got a hell of a matchup, a proving ground matchup. I got to check out the Zeke character here, too, because I do need representation here at Proving Ground. I need someone to have my back. I need someone to protect me. And Zeke might be the guy. He might be the guy for me.
He is absolutely one of the best in the business. This is a mastermind. This isn't just a manager. This is a sports agent as well as a manager. And you can tell the man knows fashion, Mario.
He looks good. He looks really good. And I appreciate his height. I don't want a manager that's taller than me. You know what I mean? And I need someone to be my eyes. And he looks out for Buck Nasty. I bet you Buck Nasty wins this match because of Zeke. That's why I'm out here. I'm scouting Zeke.
Well, I'll tell you what, those glasses he got, those are so big he could probably see into the future.
Well, hopefully he can see the future, because if he can, then he knows Buck Nasty's moving on. And there has been nobody as successful in debuting as Buck Nasty, as Bucky Collins. He beat a former Cutting Edge champion, Mario Crivello knows very well, Yabo Gustavo, in his first match. He took out Kurt Stallion, who's in the ROH Top Prospect Tournament. So that goes to show you the caliber of opponent he's beaten right here in PGP. And I gotta agree with Mario. It's been a little bit because of Zeke over there. I mean, that's not a short joke. A little bit.
No doubt about it. Bucky Collins, you cannot take lightly. You can't let the shenanigans fool you. This man is an absolute technician in that ring. And with a genius like Zeke Zishi watching his back, the sky's the limit. But, you know, when you say sky's the limit, we have all seen the success that Stephen Wolf has had, and the ceiling on this man's career, I can't even see it right now.
I'm going to stop you right there for a second, because I've wrestled Stephen Wolf, and guess what? I've beaten Stephen Wolf. That's what I do here. That's what I do in Proving Ground Pro. I put people away. I'm not saying the kid can't move. I'm not saying he's not an athlete, but you got to watch Bucky Collins. You got to watch Buck Nasty come off the rope, come out of the corner. The guy has moves. You think he's a dastardly villain, but he's also, you said a technician, he's kind of a high flyer too, watching him off the rope. Watch him come out of the corner. The guy's good. The guy's very good.
He's got the full toolbox, and that's what we've always said about Bucky Collins. I'm not going to lie to you. When we tried to get this promotion off the ground. That's one of the first guys we went to. And you know what? He big-timed us because he thought he was too good for the proving ground. We had to work and slog and prove ourselves to the likes of competitors like this. And now, look, he is excited to be here. He wants the Buckley Cup. And I guarantee you, him and Zeke have already planned their celebration at winning the franchise title. I'm not kidding myself.
Well, fellas,
I know they've talked about
I say it time and time again about these two. The most underrated talents in the Midwest.
I don't know. Stephen Wolf's in that ring. He may be one of the most underrated talents in the Midwest, too. I don't know. Sky's the limit. This is a spectacular matchup.
These two filling each other out. Bucky is not in any hurry to get in there and make any mistakes. He took a nasty kick to the thigh.
Well, and we always say we don't bring people to the proving ground that aren't next level talent. Nobody between these ropes doesn't have a higher platform and a bigger future than the proving ground. And I think a match like this exemplifies that attitude. Look at these two competitors. Are you kidding me? When you talk about the future of independent pro wrestling, you don't need a crystal ball, kids.
How big
You
is
need to
the
be in the proving ground?
How big is the Buckley Cup going to be, guys? I mean, if this is just a qualifying match, if these two are just here tonight to just qualify for the Buckley Cup, you've been in the Buckley Cup yourself, Mario Crivello. You were in the inaugural Buckley Cup.
Here's the thing. You said guys that you wanted here day one. Who was here day one? Me. I was here. And why was I attracted? Why did I come here? I came here because of the strength of the locker room. This is a qualifying matchup. That's huge, okay? You guys have had qualifying matchups earlier tonight.
Oh, we saw Jay Mercer and Blake Bellicus damn near kill each other.
That's what I'm talking about. That's competition. That's guys who are competing for each other. They are trying to prove themselves to each other. This is the proving ground. This is a qualifying match. Damn, am I looking forward to the Buckley Cup.
You know, we see Zeke Zishi with that fashion sense, but I'm not going to kid you, that's rubbed off on Bucky Collins a little. That plaid is pretty snazzy, Jesse.
They are two of the most classy dressed men in professional wrestling. But if you want to be a winner, Mario Crivello, you have to dress like a winner.
Oh, Mario, he is always clean coiffed, good looking, high-end pro gear. You're talking to a guy that hits on every note when it comes to being a pro in the ring. And when he tells you a guy like Zeke and Bucky are on point, you can believe it.
I appreciate that. I really appreciate that.
Hey, I've never shied away. I know, we all got our pluses and minuses in life, but I've always called a spade, Mario. I may make fun of you. I may make your life a living hell, but believe me, we respect the hell out of your ability in there. And holy cow, a failed kip up.
He could do that if he wanted to.
It's a slippery canvas.
Yeah, these people don't deserve it. That's what's up.
Hang on. Whoa, hang on. We got this. Ew. Oh, my Lord,
my
Stephen
goodness,
Wolf.
Stephen Wolf.
Zeke, she got a little big for his britches there, stepping in between the
That's
ropes
right.
like that.
Shades of Ricky Steamboat with those deep arm drags. And Zeke Zishi is finding out he does not want to get in there and get himself between the ropes with Stephen Wolf because he is not opposed to hitting a man with glasses.
Oh, a baseball slide and a talk about the taste of defeat. Oh, my.
Hey, he needs to get back in the ring. This is cheating. When you have a guy outside, that's cheating! You can't kick a dude outside the ring. You can't kick a dude outside the ring.
This is a bar fight. This is Buckers. This is for the Buckley. Anything or damn near anything's
Well,
going
referee
to go
Brian
here.
Fox is giving a little bit of leeway here, Mario. I mean, this is a Buckley Cup qualifier. We need to find out who the winner is.
Oh, fan participation. Are you kidding me?
A nasty chop by the fan in the front row.
That kid packs a hell of a punch.
What a wallop.
Zeke's over here. He can't
She lit
believe it.
him up.
He's checking those oversized glasses to see if he... Sweet holy cow, that kid's assaulting Buck Nasty. They better get a leash on that kid. Buck Nasty needs to get over there someplace safe, like near Brad and Debbie Gass, who are celebrating their anniversary out there in the crowd tonight.
Their 100th anniversary, that's sweet.
They went from a moment with the fans
I didn't know anybody could be married that long.
to Bucky Collins taking over. The tide has turned, fellas. We are now seeing why Buck Nasty is.
Oh, wait a minute.
no.
Speaking of tides and
Hurricanrana.
turning, a hurricane out of nowhere.
That's Proving Ground Pro. That's Proving Ground Pro. That was one hell of a move right there. This is a qualifying match, dude. That was awesome.
I'm telling you, that's Stephen Wolf, Mario. I know you got to win over him, but this kid keeps up in his game. He's got the sign of being somebody. He wants to make it in this business, and he is trying, come hell or high water.
Every single wrestler here is good. Every single wrestler.
Oh, this is getting uncomfortably close. Uncomfortably close. Buck Nasty has practically crawled into the broadcast booth. Oh my God!
What a backbreaker! He's broken him in half!
Right on the apron. Absolutely no give. He crippled Stephen Wolf.
Mr. Cravell, you know as good as anybody, that's the hardest part of the ring. You do not want to get dropped on that part.
This ring, the Proving Ground Pro ring in particular, has an extra stiff, extra hard apron. When you're out there and you bumping that thing, dude, no give. You feel it.
You're in no man's land, and Buck Nasty, Bucky Collins, is using that very ring as an absolute weapon on the lower back of Stephen Wolf.
Targeted the back of Stephen Wolf. It will slow him down. The speed advantage he once had, Bucky has neutralized it.
1, 2, and 3. Dude, these refs here.
The clock's ticking, but Bucky has the advantage right now. Nice knees from Wolf, but a nice chop block from Bucky.
We heard ring announcer Cody Springer announce the time. There is a time limit on these Buckley Cup qualifiers because there is a time limit in the first couple rounds of the Buckley Cup.
No doubt about it, and the clock's ticking.
Indian Deathlock here, dude. Look at, hey, you talked about the technical skills of Buck Nasty. Check him out. Check out this submission maneuver right here. I think Stephen Wolf might tap. He's been working his back on that apron, that hard apron. Look at it, dude. This is it. He's stretching out that back. He's working that neck. He's working so many parts of Stephen Wolf's body, dude.
He's got him twisted up like a Bavarian pretzel in there. Absolutely unbelievable. Stephen Wolf is at the mercy of Buck Nasty right now.
Just absolutely at the mercy. Kid's got a lot of fight in him, but he's taking a toll to that back. I mean, he's really taking.
Classic. This is an absolute fight. Two technicians have become an absolute bar fight in here. This is a work of art on canvas. Oh, no!
Bucky looks like he slipped off. He was looking for this
Bucky
stunner. It
face.
just planted him in the face.
Wolf's taking full advantage of that. Buck Nasty had to change his trajectory, and it didn't do him any favors. And sweet Jesus, he just crushed Bucky.
We're making a lot of jokes here about Bucky Collins. Man, he really wants to prove himself in this Buckley Cup tournament, and he's already called himself the Uncrowned Franchise.
He did change his Twitter handle to Uncrowned Franchise.
He did?
Yes, he did.
That's some BS. Sorry, I said BS.
It's all right. We're on YouTube. You go ahead and say bullshit. Anyway, go ahead, Mario.
I am the franchise. This is one hell of a match. Very impressed with these guys. I am the Mark Man. I am the franchise.
Dream Street right now.
You got to think, though, that there's not as much power in those legs as there normally is.
Both of these men give it. Oh, Lord have mercy. What a kick to the head of Bucky. He's got to be out. Oh, and a short suplex out of nowhere.
Resilience. Hey, Bucky. Funny guy. Silly guy. Check it out. Tough guy. He just kicked out. Hey, a move that would send most guys to a 3-count. Guess what? He kicked out because he's tough, he's resilient, and he wants in a bucket.
He is buck nasty, Mario. And you said pin guy. Shit, that would have put me in a goddamn
To the
ambulance.
outside. Bucky
Oh,
Collins knocking
no.
off the top rope.
There's no soft landings here in bunkers either, boys. Oh, sweet.
Running.
Jesus.
Could be over.
One, two.
Oh, my God. He kicked out.
Anyone kicked out of that? I know that. These
I don't know. Buck Nasty couldn't believe it. You couldn't believe it. The crowd looked a little psychoed in
Been
amazement.
a trap going Dragons.
I don't know if Wolf can hold on through this.
He's passing out right now. He's exhausted.
The crowd is trying to get behind Stephen Wolf, and Wolf's got some power left, but Buck Nasty cuts him off.
Right, they're trying to get behind him, but they seem as astonished as we are. Buck Nasty is able to up on the shoulders now.
Oh, double knees right to the jaw.
That's awesome.
Again, incredibly close. And 5 minutes left, the clock's ticking, Mario.
Wolf's got to pick up the speed here. If he wants to qualify for this Buckley Cup, he needs to get the pinfall victory here in the next 5 minutes.
5 minutes, guys. It is long in that ring. Okay? Both guys are gassed right now. Both guys are hurt right now. But both guys are unleashing some. Oh! That's what I'm talking about. They are unleashing hell on each other right now. That could be it. 2 and 3. 1, 2.
It looked like Wolf's throat got draped across that second rope. I can't believe he was able to get that shoulder up.
I'm giving the refs here a lot of grief, and I do not like them, but I also do not envy them. I'm not trying to make these calls either.
Both these men double tough. Both these men not giving up. Both these men won in that Buckley Memorial Tournament amazingly bad.
Collins has Wolf positioned on the top rope, looking for something here. Back elbows from Wolf.
Wolf's
trying to get out of a dangerous position.
Oh, and he ends up in a worse position. And
Oh, we
Buck
see that.
Nasty
That's classic Bucky Collins.
I already knew this is that best suplexer maybe.
And Bucky's setting him up. Zeke looks extremely excited about what's going on.
Has him tied to the proverbial tree of woe.
Whoa!
We know what's going to happen.
Wolf absolutely saved himself in a flying curb stop.
Pulling out all the stops.
Oh, sweet Jesus!
Standing shooting star press.
He might have just found himself a new player.
There is why Zichi is so important. If he was out here by himself, who knows? It might have been the end.
Oh, that preserves Bucky who gets the scoop. Oh, my God. Super kick. Back and forth. This is absolutely blowing up Bucky's.
I just gotta say it again, guys. This is a qualifier. This is a qualifier. He can feel the pressure. He can feel the time counting down on him.
Look at him go. He saw that leg, dude. It still hurts. He got his butt kicked tonight. Bucky's got to get up. He's got to finish it. He's got to
One hell of
win.
a fight. You're right, Larry Crevel. One hell of a fight.
have taken and dished out so much punishment. I can't believe what I'm seeing in there.
You might not like his unsavory antics, but Bucky Collins has showed everybody why he deserves to be in the spot he's in. Man, the toughness has been shown by Buck Nasty.
The toughness shown by Buck Nasty and Zeke Zishi. He is paying dividends tonight for Bucky. Oh, and look at this. Wolf walked right into it. The victory rolling. Oh! Small package him up. What a revert. Look at this. You got it. My God.
Huge drop kick. Staggers him. Kick to the face. Back and forth they go.
Strong style.
They both are feeling it.
Everything to do is target the neck. 1, 2, and 3. Are you kidding me? No leg, and he still kicks out. What's up, Bucky?
Oh, I thought he rolled into that crucifix.
It was close as it gets, folks.
Top two.
We got a minute left. Who's going to be the winner?
Unbelievable. Is this match of the year? It is certainly match of the I don't know. What enough. The Proving Ground just keeps delivering. I'm delirious with excitement right now. And the clock's ticking, boys. It's getting dangerously close.
30 seconds remain.
Now it's
in
go
the
time.
match.
It's time to
30
go.
seconds remain in this match.
Who's got it?
You gotta know that Wolf knows the conspiracy. Collins just trying to buy his time.
And it is sprawled onto the floor, and the clock's ticking. This is not doing either man a favor.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Buck has been DDT'd on the concrete. It might be too hell.
Time has expired. This match is a time limit draw.
Unbelievable.
He was made for the Bucky.
That's to win or lose. Either way, I gotta know. So, this crowd wants 1 more minute? 1 more minute? No, forget 1 more minute. Jesse, give us 5 more minutes.
This has been one hell of a fight. And if we're going to have somebody in the Buckley Cup, we need a for sure winner, don't we? Yeah! So should we give him 5 more minutes? Referee, 5 more minutes. Somebody's going to ring the bell.
Unbelievable. Unprecedented. Unheralded. 5 more minutes. Bucky Collins and Stephen Wolf. This place is blown up. I think it's too late now. 5 more minutes. The clock is ticking, and boy, somebody's going to the bucket.
Stops there. Wow. I've never seen 2 men run a spot in the Buckley Cup so bad. We had to give them 5 more minutes, Brady Lawrence.
What choice do we have? We can't kick them both out. We needed the man. Look at Zeke. He's begging Bucky to get up. Unbelievable match.
Zishi trying to get his man to his feet. Both men just slow to get up. It's really taking a toll. I mean, to go 20 minutes is a long time in that wrestling ring, Cabello.
I just said 5 minutes is a long time. 20 minutes? These guys are gassed. We're good athletes. We train. We exercise. I don't know what to tell you. 20 minutes when we're trying to put another human being away is an eternity. If Zeke's got to plant C, D, or E, he's got to execute it now. He is in trouble, dude. You have to help him.
Bucky has absorbed an immense amount of punishment, but look at him. He dropped Wolf right across that rope. That rope's vicious.
It's a good way to concussion your opponent. Really take him out. It's a deadly weapon when used properly. The ropes. I mean, people don't understand how hard they really are.
Bucky is an absolute mad genius in that ring. And with Zeke's brain power too. This is one of the most intelligent duos I have ever seen in the ring. But the raw physical skill of Stephen Wolf may not be able to be denied.
Oh, Bucky, you need to find it. Look in your heart. Look in your brain. Be a man. And I'm off the man. Put this dude away. Zeke, brother, I'm watching you. I got my eyes on you. What are you guys going to do to put Wolf away? He just keeps coming with stuff. Another kick!
Beautiful timing from Wolf.
Bucky Collins refuses to stay down. He refuses to give up.
Oh, hell. Two. Fox called a 2. This is going to continue.
The hand came down, but the shoulder was up first. What a hell of a call there.
Oh, my God. And
People may not like
the
it.
clock
They
is
can't
ticking.
Zeke looking for a cheap shot.
Oh, Zeke reached in and got a little piece of Stephen Wolf.
Wondering if he'd had a plan.
I didn't know
Distraction
Zeke
is
had
in
that kind of
effect.
speed.
I needed some exercise.
I didn't know Zeke could get up that kind of speed. And meanwhile, where the hell is Bucky? He's on the floor of Bunker somewhere.
Wolf trying to drag Bucky to the ring. I'm just flabbergasted. I mean, I'm as worn out as these athletes.
Time's the one thing you can't waste right now. Look at it.
What do you have to do to put Wolf away? You know what? I'm going to give it up to this dude. He's telling you he wanted to. He's young, he has heart, he's ready for this. Both of these men are ready for this. Both of these men want this. Clearly, one of them has got to give. Who's it going to do?
A match like this absolutely tells you what the Buckley Memorial Tournament means. And this is a year like no other because the winner gets the vacant franchise title. Both these men are showing they'd be worthy of that belt, but they got to get to that Buckley Tournament tournament. Jesse, that clock, it's ticking. Is this it?
What is these guys going to have to put the other way?
Both men absolutely refuse to lose.
You win a cup, you win a tournament.
Him in a crossface. This could be it. He's looking for the submission. We haven't seen this out of Wolf.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Zeke has got it.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time limit has expired again. This match is still a time limit draw.
Unbelievable.
This has been one of the damnedest matches I have ever seen
Unbelievable. Both men, after an unprecedented, extended time limit draw, both men have qualified, Mario. It's the only thing we could do.
Take out your Crayola. Take out your Crayola crayons. That's your Egyptian. Take out your Crayola crayons and color me